for cough thingy. You know, when you have cough, I'm gonna put some honey in this to soak in. So when you feel like scratchy or itchy throat, or you're coughing, you have flu, colds, then you can take this 1 tablespoon. Don't eat the garlic, just the honey. You just have to scoop out the honey up. But you have to wait at least 24 hours before taking this, so it will be effective. Well, my brother said it does work, so I'm gonna try it. Why not? I'm just gonna put that there. Oh my gosh, I'm mushing it. Because you know, it's already cold season. Rather than buy that cold syrup. I never bought it, but I'm just telling you, rather than buying that, try this.